Hey guys, Mr. Newman here, and this is usually something I show in class, so I'm going to show you an easy way to remember all 6 trig functions. So you know the names of them, but what are they equal to? Well, you already have SOHCAHTOA, so you know sine, cosine, and tangent. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write down all 6 trig functions in a certain way. So sine, then cosine, tangent, then cotangent, and then what's the only types we don't know yet are secant and cosecant. With these, I'm writing the function and then the co of it. So sine, then cosine, tangent, then cotangent, secant, then cosecant. I even color-coded it for you. And then what I need to do is I'm going to draw the reciprocal rainbow. So notice on the left here, I connect tangent and cotangent, cosecant and secant, sine and cosecant. I just drew a rainbow. And why did I draw a rainbow? Well, the things that are connected are reciprocals of each other, meaning they flip. The fractions are flipped. So if sine, you already know, is opposite over hypotenuse, that means cosecant is hypotenuse over opposite. If cosine, you already know, is adjacent over hypotenuse, then secant is hypotenuse over adjacent. See, I just flip them. Tangent, you already know, is opposite over adjacent, so cotangent is adjacent over opposite. Honestly, I just draw this part right here at the top of my paper when I'm taking a quiz. And if you just draw that and draw the rainbow, then you will never mess up what are the ratios for each of the 6 trig functions. Thanks for watching.